Okay, this is a 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 6-speed manual. I saw the 2022 Tacoma TRD Pro 6-speed manual and then bought this. The difference is, the main difference is a V6 3.5 to 4-cylinder turbo 2.4. It says it has 270 horsepower, 6-speed manual. The automatic has a 278, but then I think it's about 300 horsepower. They do underrate. So anyways, so the main function this car that I like is this IMT. So this does the automatic downshift rev match. So it does it for you, and then let's go. Let's try to see what this car is about. It gets more gas mileage. So the other car used to have like 16.5 ish. This car is about 19. I don't like this one. They used to have a manual handbrake, but this car is a electronic. This the shifter feels better actually. And then this car does the chirping too. Has a typical sound, the Toyota engine sound is not good, so it sounds like a diesel. Even the V6 sounded like a diesel. This one, it sounds even worse. So it feels like driving a diesel car, not a gasoline car. And I'm gonna do more videos like this, so stay tuned.